This is an ensuite studio. It comes with a comfy 3/4 size bed and a huge pinboard which you can personalise. One of the best things is that there's so much storage space. There's a large wardrobe and a big chest of drawers where you can put all of your clothes. It comes with your kitchen essentials, including a mini fridge, which is really handy. There's also a sofa and a spacious desk where you can spread out your uni work. The windows let in plenty of natural light. Finally, you've got your own personal bathroom, so you have everything you need right in your studio.